Hi everyone, my name is Rudy Mejia, and today we're in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. Today we're going to be touring this model home. It's called Lido, built by Kolter Homes. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a den, and 2-car garage. You're going to like this home, I know it, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach us, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go check it out. Enjoy the tour and feel free to contact us for more information on this home and the communities it can be built in.
Just wanna tell you, think we're living in the good days. People usually never see them until they're miles away. If I had to guess, I'd say these are them, babe. And I hope, like you, they'll be here to stay.